Crestmark is the latest addition to Ellington's growing portfolio. Located in Business Bay, the building's design captures the energy and lifestyle of the community overlooking the Dubai Canal and the Business Bay Marina. The overall building aesthetic features undulating forms, cool soft summer palette, and biophilic interiors. The residential development consists of a ground floor, 3 podiums, and 18 residential floors. There are 4 passenger elevators and 1 service elevator. 1 parking space is allotted for studios, 1 and 2 bedroom apartments, while 2 parking spaces allotted for 3 bedroom apartments. There are 189 residential units with 15 studios, 62 1-bedroom apartments, 83 2-bedroom apartments, 26 3-bedroom apartments, and 3 3 to 4 bedroom penthouses. The anticipated completion date is Q1 of 2026. The overall design concept was inspired by the striking silhouette of the facade, which is defined by fluid, undulating forms and meticulously arranged staggered patterns of the architecture. Our lobby welcomes you to 3 spaces, such as the lounge, hub desk, and library, all connected by a central sculptural bonsai. At the same level, we also have the Kitropolis, a mini-city designed for discerning little citizens. It's a themed kids' play area which features more like a pretend play area in an urban setting that teaches kids the basics of grooming, socializing, and adventure. At Ellington, we always try to create new experiences within the property. Crestmark's Level 4 conceals within its walls a secret known only to a select few. From the lifts, you'll see an artful painting at the end of the corridor that serves not merely as a door, but as a portal to 2 more amenities. Behind this artful disguise lies an intimate club room for lounging and dining on your left, and a nostalgic-infused atmosphere of classic gaming of the arcade room on the right. The fitness studio is designed with precision state-of-the-art equipment, a rotating climbing wall called tread wall, and a zoned functional training rig that suits varied group training activities. This overlooks a resort-style infinity pool with cabanas and sun loungers and a separate kids' pool area. The Crestmark also features a barbecue area and robust landscaping with featured kinetic artwork commissioned by Ellington Art Foundation. Across the pool, we have a staircase that leads 1 level down to the yoga and meditation area, which overlooks the calming waters and boats passing by the canal. The payment plan will be as follows. We encourage viewers to visit our office to learn more about the newest offering by Ellington Properties.